Host. Hey there, fellow filmmakers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of cinematography. Today, we have an exciting topic in store for you: shooting cinematic video. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this video will provide you with valuable tips and techniques to take your filmmaking skills to the next level. So, let's dive right in. Part 1. Planning for cinematic shots. Host. The key to achieving cinematic video lies in meticulous planning. Before picking up your camera, take some time to plan your shots. 1. Define your story. Host. Every cinematic video needs a compelling story. Determine the purpose, theme, and narrative of your video. This will guide your shot selection and help you create a visually cohesive piece. 2. Storyboard. Host. Storyboarding is a fantastic tool for visualizing your shots. Sketch out each scene, noting camera angles, movements, and composition. This will ensure that you capture the right shots during production. Part 2. Camera techniques. Host. Now that we've covered the planning stage, let's move on to camera techniques that can elevate your cinematic video. 1. Camera movement. Host. Camera movement adds dynamism and visual interest to your shots. Experiment with techniques like tracking shots, dolly shots, and crane shots to create a sense of depth and immersion. 2. Composition. Host. Composition plays a crucial role in cinematic video. Explore the rule of thirds, leading lines, and symmetry to create visually pleasing frames. Remember, each shot should serve a purpose in telling your story. 3. Depth of field. Host. Mastering depth of field allows you to guide your viewer's attention. Experiment with shallow depth of field for cinematic close-ups, or use a deep depth of field to capture expansive landscapes. Part 3. Lighting and color grading. Host. The right lighting and color grading can transform an ordinary scene into a cinematic masterpiece. Let's explore how to achieve this. 1. Lighting techniques. Host. Experiment with different lighting setups to create mood and atmosphere. Utilize natural light, artificial lighting, or a combination of both. Pay attention to shadows, highlights,